impressive. What are the odds of that?
I watch you. Maybe I learned something new.
Don't watch me.
Don't watch me. Then for sure don't watch me. Are you guys making a trail for trials competition or?
Yeah, there's one next weekend. I think I'm gonna come try it out.
Oh, okay. This is fun.
Yeah, it's actually a blast. It's so smooth.
You want to try it? That sucks. Check that stuff that's hanging down there. Is that all right? Nothing leaking, nothing cracked.
That's funny as shit.
Yeah, I saw it coming. Well, yeah, we go through the back. We're gonna have a whole new
Roll it backwards, maybe.
They need to put a fire over there.
Oh, yeah. And you ride it up there.
That one is a hill coming up because you get on the gas then. It's the only time I hear it on the gas.
I was so nice and then I hit neutral and it's over. Back at the office.
This is like we've been here before a couple times.
No.
Yeah, you
No.
lied to me that late. I remember.
I have it on the GPS. I told you we haven't been here. Oh, you remember this one too? Yeah.
I cannot.
You alright? Huh? Remember this hill too?
I'm gonna do that later.
These leaves make it complicated.
You just move over there.
You just ride over it. Huh?
It connects right to where we were right now.
Hold on there. Yeah, just like that. More gas, more gas. You almost got it. You lift it up a little bit and you ride it around the turn. Yeah, like that. Now turn it on and
So this may sound kind of crazy, but if you next time take the front tire and up that, it'll throw this around. Ready? Ready?
let me videotape that. Okay, GoPro is rolling.
There's a steep drop right there, man. You just gotta roll across it and not get shook off sides.
Don't fall. Nice! That's not what I wanted to do.
Dude, you just dove into it.
Hey, awesome, Jim. That will look good on video.
Oh, hell. We're gonna wanna lift it up there.
Holy shit.
You okay?
Yeah. It was like I came down, all of a sudden, shit, I'm going straight for the creek.
You should have gone, you see where the V is? Yeah. That's what we did.
I think if you...
Don't go anywhere, that looks sketchy too.
Damn. Oh, that's the worst.
I'm gonna take these way out. I'm totally exhausted. I'm not gonna go get
If you look,
loose and all that
Jim,
shit.
Jim, if you look behind you,
I
left
know.
down is the office. Ha! I got that on video. The first time weight is down.
This is the trail you're talking about.
Huh?
This is it.
Shit. keep going up till you have the rear tire there and then swing the front around when it's upside. When you have the bike upside on the rear tire, you can swing it around. Yeah, just like that.
Well, not like that. You know what? That's right there.
Yeah.
Look at that way you can move it. What? Bring it to your left. Move it. Right. Ready?
You or GoPro?
Huh?
You broke you or the GoPro?
I broke the GoPro off.
Oh, geez. I thought you broke you. We gotta find a GoPro.
I see it.
You okay though? Wait. Yep, she snapped.
It's incredible what a beating these bikes can take.
It's yeah. All right, beat yours up a little more.
I'm just here for the video. I'm too wasted to help you. That's for the young kids.
Alright, what are we doing?
I don't know. You know what?
You can go right backwards right there. No problem going backwards right there.
I'm gonna try a harder way.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright.
Okay. Well, we got a
Problem.
Damn, look at that energy.
you were on it. I was like, how are we doing this?
No, I hopped off.
Nice. Nice.